Ionic compounds versus molecular compounds. Difference between ionic and molecular compounds. Ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are made of ionic bonds where the atoms are electrostatically attracted towards each other. Molecular compounds are made of covalent bonds where the electrons are shared between the atoms involved in the formation. Ionic compounds occur through the interaction between cations and anions. Molecular compounds occur through the interaction of neutral atoms. Ionic compounds act as a good conducting medium in the liquid medium. Molecular compounds are not good electrical conductors. Ionic bonds are the strongest type of chemical bond and therefore most compounds are solids with very high melting points. Covalent bonds are quite weak, hence most compounds exist in the gaseous phase. So this is the important difference between ionic and molecular compounds.